Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2005 John Deere TS Gator. This thing is actually in really nice shape. It has had a couple of spots touched up on the paint, but it is not rusted out. 1,285 hours on it. Starts, runs, and works good. We did service it. It is all complete, and it is in nice shape. We're going to go ahead here and open up the bed. Show you underneath it. Powered by the Kawasaki engine. It's in these. Starts, runs good. We did change engine oil, air filter, checked rear end oil. Everything air is good. Clutch is good. Belt's still in good shape. Starts and runs very, very well. It is, again, it's not rusted out like a lot of these you would see. Bed's in nice shape. Does have the bed liner in it. Both latch handles are in there. Usually they're missing. Tailgate's still in nice shape. Has a heat receiver hitch there in the bottom. Tires are priced 75%. Somebody did put recently two new seats on it. I did not do it. The plastic on the hood is not busted. Everything there is actually in really nice shape. There was some little wee spots where they touched up the paint some time ago. Has nothing recent. We'll show you here the hour meter. Sorry, Matt. I'm running you all over the place. Brakes work good. We're going to go ahead and fire it up, show you everything works. If you need an affordable UTV and you don't want to spend $15,000 or $20,000, here's a very affordable option. Again, thing starts and runs good. They are a little hair cold-blooded till it warms up. You are welcome to come check it out. Again, starts and runs and works good. 1,285 hours on it. Good brakes. We sold one of these in the spring for, I forget now, but we don't get many of them anymore. Guys buy them, they keep them around. They're just good running old utility vehicles. Park brake works. Seats, like I said, somebody did replace the seats not long ago. They are in nice shape, obviously. Brand new. Starts, runs, and works good. Again, the front's not smashed up. The plastic all is nice on the fenders. Nice working on utility vehicle. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Stuff like this doesn't hang around long. Give us a call if you have any questions. Again, 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.